Okay, guys, I went to the mall today and I met Peyton Siva again. Got his autograph once. Well, this is the first time I got his autograph. It's weird. Living room. Yeah, see. Good popcorn. Everyone loves this stuff. Some people are still hate that. Yes, this is signed by Peyton Siva. But no. It's easy to tell. Here. You can't. See right there, you can see the glare. As you can tell right there. Does have the glare on there, so otherwise it's put on there, so I thought that was cool. You know. Yeah. Yeah, look at this guys. I'm wearing my cut the net shirt and I got to meet Peyton Siva, bro. It's awesome. It's awesome, you know. Anyway, got to meet Siva. Picture there. What's up here? Oh shit. It's my house. And there's the outside where no one can see anything except my iPhone. Pictures. I'm getting a bunch of text messages. Damn. Who cares? You know, they say I had a good day, bruh. Yeah. Yeah, you only live once. That's the motto. You know, you only live once. Unless you are a fucking zombie.